Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial we are going to model this machine component using Creo Parametric. Let's go to the software, go to new. We are going to model as 3D modeling, solid, part. Untick this use default template, click OK. We are using mm as a unit, Newton solid absolute, click OK. Now just go to the model. First I am going to extrude this tube here. Inner diameter is 25 and outer diameter is 32. The length I just want to extrude is 18. Go to the software. I'm taking front plane, sketch view, draw the center axis, press the roller to confirm. Now just take the circle with center point, first one, and click the center one and second one, press the roller to confirm. Now inner diameter is 25, outer diameter is 32. Now just check the model 25, 32 and press the refit screen and click OK to continue. Now just go to extrude, just rotate your object, just change this direction. Now our extrusion length is 18. Press enter and again just click OK to confirm. Now just go to the model. This tube I have extruded. Now this tube I just want to extrude. This length is 32. Outer diameter is same, but inner diameter is little bit smaller. Just go to the model, just take the surface, sketch view, just go to reference, take the outer circle as a reference, just close, take the circle with the center point, outer diameter is same one, just click this inner diameter, just click and click OK. Now inner diameter is lesser than 25. I just giving 23.5. Now just click OK to continue. Now go to extrude. Now just rotate your object. Our extrusion length is 32. Just click OK to continue. Now again select the surface. Just sketch view. Go to reference. Outside circle as a reference, just close, take the circle with the center point and click the center point. Now the outer diameter also same 32 only, but the inner diameter is 25. Just click here and press the roller to confirm. Now inner diameter is 25. Now again just click OK. Now go to extrude. Just rotate your object by using mouse roller. Now just go to the model. The same this side also 18 mm. We just want to extrude it. Just change this into 18. Press enter. Just click OK to continue. Now go to the model. This straight pipe we have made. Then this pipe we just want to make. For that we just want to move this plane from here to here, and similarly this plane from here to here. Go to the model. So here we have a plane. We just want to move this plane to center. Just go to click this plane. This moving distance is 32. Press enter. It's going other direction. Give the minus direction. Press enter. Now it's coming in the middle of this object. Click OK. Now again select this surface. This one we just want to move here. That distance is from here to here is 32 divided by 2 plus 16. Okay. Now just go to model. This plane we just want to take, just plane, This is 32 divided by 2, 16 plus 16 plus 16, 32. Just go to the model again. 32, 16 plus 16, the total height is 32. Now just click OK to confirm. Now we just want to draw tube in this plane. Go to circle, sketch view, select this surface, go to sketch view, now change the plane. We just want to change the plane orientation. For that, yes, go to sketch view only. Now just want to draw a circle. Click the circle, just click the center to mouse roller to confirm. Now this diameter is 32. This diameter is 32. Then we just want to make 20 and extrude up to this length. Okay, now just go here. So this is we are done. Just click OK to confirm. Now just go to extrude. So now it has extruded to a length of 32. Here we just want to next, we just want to move. This is we are done. Then click OK to confirm. Now again select the surface, sketch view, reference, take the circle as a reference, just close, choose this one. Now just go to check the diameter. The diameter is 20. So change this diameter into 20. Now just click OK to confirm. Again just go to extrude, change this direction into this side. Now we just want to remove it. Okay, so to next, just click OK to confirm. Okay, now we have made our model. Just go here, shading with edges, go to view, sectional view, see. So T joint we have made. Just click OK to view. Okay, now we have modeled our complete model. Thank you for watching my videos. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. If you have a different idea to draw this same component, please comment here. Thank you.